A few days ago, I received this email from one of my students. Her name is Astrid. She had just completed the first 4 weeks inside my app, Become a Fashion Designer. And I'd like to read it to you. Hi, Nino. Just checking in after phase one. I am stunned. I have done 4 weeks already. Time has flown by. My brain is packed with insights, ideas, and information. I feel a bit anxious about starting next step, but I know that's because I feel safety in what I do know and don't know what is coming. Also, a thrilling feeling. I love this about the journey so far. I didn't think I could design a collection, and now I have a mini collection. I didn't trust my eye when looking at garments and liking, not liking. Now I can see what is off or not. I thought design was just about clothes. Now I see the stories and bigger picture. I didn't know how design could move people. Now I see how. I didn't think it would be so life-changing. Now I'm forever grateful I started this. This journey kept me grounded during a very difficult time in my life and gave me my own space. So thank you, Nino, for this journey. Kindly, Astrid. I've been teaching fashion design for many years. I've taught thousands of students, and every once in a while, someone sends me a message that reminds me why I still do what I do. It isn't because someone learned to sketch better or design a collection. It's because someone rediscovers a dream they thought they had lost. That's what this email means to me. So, Astrid, thank you for trusting me. Thank you for trusting the process. And thank you for allowing me to share your story. And if you're watching this and some part of Astrid's journey feels familiar, maybe it's time for you to reconnect with your own dream. If you'd like me to help you do that, I'd be honored. So, thank you again, Astrid.